Hi guys, so today I'm doing it a little bit different. I thought that I would do Chick-fil-A because I haven't did a Chick-fil-A eating show yet. So what I got is, you know, those famous waffle fries. I actually got a meal. Let me see. I got 2 spicy chicken meal, 1 grilled sandwich, fries, 2 diet Dr. Peppers, and 4 ranch. Do a thumbnail. She said 4 ranch. What? Oh, wow. So she gave me mayo and honey. I knew I should have checked it. She didn't even give me no ranch. She gave me mayo. I'm going to use half of that. I ain't going to use all that. Need that for my other sandwich. And she gave me this honey. What is it? Honey roasted barbecue sauce. I asked for ranch. She ain't give me ranch. I should have asked for 2 of those. My napkins over here. So that's the sandwich. This is spicy. And it just has pickles with their sauce. It's bringing me back to Popeyes. But Popeyes was dry. Nice and spicy. I'll be right back, guys. I want to get some Sweet Baby Ray's. 1 second. Okay. Sorry about that. I know y'all was like, you always gotta go get something. I know, because I thought she gave me ranch. She didn't even give me no ranch. And this bad boy is piping hot. Spicy. But so how's everybody been doing? I've been great. Mm. I'm not eating all these sandwiches. I'm gonna give this is the grilled chicken sandwich. I'm gonna give it to my husband. And these waffle fries. You know what I'm saying? Mm. The line was long too. And Chick-fil-A's line, it'll be long every time. So I did my hair, but now you can't see it, but now I have to do it again. I'm gonna have to wash it and find out, because it has all this residue, product residue. So maybe I can only use 2 of those products. I was telling you guys that I'm going to do a video on the 3 products that I use. I'm probably going to have to tone it down or stop using so much product. But it seems like if I don't use a lot of product, my hair don't turn out right. So now I'm going to have to experiment and see what's up. Look at that sauce. Mmm. This is so good. Mmm. But they just sentenced this guy to die. This black dude. He killed 2 officers. And what had happened was, it was a domestic dispute call. Him and his girlfriend or whatever had got into an argument, and he strangled her until she peed her pants. She called the cops. But she didn't tell him. She didn't tell him she called the cops until the cops was there. When the cops got there, she was like, "Oh, I called the cops." Cops didn't even have a chance. As soon as they got in there, he grabbed the gun and shot them both, execution style, right between the eyes. So I'm like, I think she told the officers that he had a gun. But she probably told them when they got there. She probably didn't tell them up front that he had a gun, because she couldn't have told them when she called 911 that he already had a gun, because they wouldn't have just piled up in there like that. They would have probably shot up in that house and killed both of them. Cops are not stupid. But if she did tell 911 that he had a gun, maybe they thought that they could negotiate and talk him out of it, whatever he was going to do. But it was crazy. Like, one of the officers he was tussling with, he was on top of an officer. He was tussling with the officer like this. And he finally got the point where he could shoot him in his forehead. Both of them were shot in the forehead, between the eyes. But another one was shot, I think they said, somewhere on his arm. And then somewhere on his side. But he getting the death penalty. I want to see how long he gonna sit on death row before they execute him. Look at that. But that guy Jason Pope, I don't think they're gonna do a trial because it was all these minors and stuff. But I definitely want to see what he's gonna get. I will see. Now I gotta wash my hair over again. But I ain't gonna watch this until Sunday. I think I'm gonna watch it Saturday because I'm going to church Sunday. I told my husband, why every time when I do a video, most of my burps ain't small, but when I get off camera, that's when they be big as I don't know what. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put this back in the bag for my husband. Still got fries left over. But guys, if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe my channel and hit that bell notification so you will know each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I love you guys. Always thinking about you. Until next time. Peace.